everybody. Welcome to my Sunday worm bin check-in. This is Chris at Tree Gardens, and today we're going to do a light feeding because I have a new experiment that I want to try. Last year I had 6 5-gallon buckets. Oh, hello there. And with those 6 5-gallon buckets, only 3 made it. And I think it's because I was doing too much too soon. Come on, guys. Oops. So now I'm working on one 3-gallon bucket, and I'm going to use a vertical migration system, and hopefully we'll see how they do that way. Boy, this guy is pretty strong. Yeah. So I have to use less. Sometimes less is more, you know. I'm gonna just throw a couple of worms in there and check the progress of my 3-gallon worm bin. I think I'll call it a bug bungalow. Alright, get these guys off of there. They want to be so rambunctious. Look at that one. It's wiggly. I'm trying to get the good size one because I know these guys are a little bit more mature. They may be able to be strong enough to make it. Alright. So that takes care of that. Here. That's just a couple. Let me get some more. Oh, there's a good one. Oh, he's real healthy. Healthy and strong. That's what I want. So yeah, and the wife, actually, she brought out some food for them. I guess last night's dinner had some leftovers or something. You know what? I like you. Come here, you. You're still kind of young, but you should be alright. Yeah. Like that for now. Yeah, so I had like 3 bins left over, and that wasn't very good. But now, here's a piece of plastic. Now, what I'll do is just a quick one here, so that I can focus on the bug bungalow. I already put some bedding in the bug bungalow, and I wet it down, but I didn't put any food in it because I want to go slow, you know. I see it. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So first, I'm going to collect a couple of these guys. They are strong. Nice. I don't know, I guess maybe I'll get 50. There's some good ones right here. I'll just put that whole thing in there. There's still a lot of food in here. Paper. Alright. Oh. Yeah. I leave it like that. And this is a kind of like a, what was it, corn pancake, like a cornbread pancake. Yeah, there's a lot of food left behind here. I'm just gonna let them have at it, because I'm gonna put some of this stuff in the bug bungalow. Some green things. Oh, is that peas? Oh, I think cucumber, lemon cucumber, or maybe it's squash. I don't know what she did. Get up a little bit, but not too much. See what goes and what stays, you know. No, this is like an egg. Okay, so I got a little food in there, various things, and I'm gonna give it a little sprinkle of coffee, because they like coffee. And then I'm gonna put some newspaper on top. Bedding. And just for good measure, I got some compost from the city, so I'll put a little compost on there. Then flip this one back over. Hopefully they'll like it and they'll go to work on it. Now I'm going to work on my new experiment. Thanks for checking in. Be safe out there.